welcome back. It's me, Ruffles, and today we are unboxing 3 Moriah Elizabeth blind boxes. So let's go.
So we are like big Moriah Elizabeth fans. We've been watching her for like at least a year now.
I've been watching for about 2 years, I think.
At least a year. But probably like 3 years for me. You should, like, she's awesome. Definitely go watch her, but we will.
And subscribe to her, definitely. And we're going to be opening these 3 Moriah Elizabeth blind boxes. I am going to go get something really quick. Don't do anything.
Georgie.
And here are her children's first Bumblebee. So I already have these 4, and if I get any duplicates, I'm gonna get mad. If I do get any duplicates, I will give one to her because. But I think we have. How many are there left?
So wait, so
Lemon, oh wait, yeah.
So she needs Georgie, Pickle, Kathy, and Lemon.
I love them. I really hope I get Pickle. So yeah.
Sophie, what are you doing in that salt?
Cross your fingers. She gets one. Like, she doesn't get any duplicates. Thank you so much. So let's get started. I'm gonna do the top one. I'm so scared. Okay.
Remember, kids, if you're really young, ask your parent before you use scissors or a knife.
Okay. Why am I freaking out? No.
I need to see this.
Ooh. Okay.
Cross
Ow,
your fingers.
I can't open it. Stop.
The grand reveal.
So much pressure. I got Rosie. Oh my gosh. Sisters. But that does mean you get to have Rosie.
Sure?
Yeah. That's it. Oh.
Her poor face.
I wasted $30 on these if I ever get any duplicates. This one looks a little beat up.
Were you hitting your brother in the box?
Brother? Oh, brother.
She got thrown!
Oh my God! Look at the blue! Yeah. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my God!
Calm down.
Oh my God! So now I just have Pickle, Georgie, and Kathy.
Oh, Pickle, Georgie, and Kathy, cross your fingers. Oh, and
Lemon!
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Oh, so cute.
I have 2 duplicates, or now she has 2 good ones. So these can go to use. Thank you so much for watching. I got Lemon. Oh my gosh.
So cute. Oh my God. Awesome. Definitely get these. Buy any of her products. It helps her out.
Yeah, they're on Target, Walmart, and a lot of other stores. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.